Hello guys, so this is my guide for controlling weeds in your flower beds. I know when you're controlling weeds in your flower beds, you gotta always be careful because the weeds might just get out of control, and also you don't want to just spray or do anything that might harm your actual flowers. So this is what I use to control the weeds. I use the Preen Weed Preventer. This stops weed before they start growing, and this actually attacks the seed, not the weed itself if it's already emergent. So this is used as a preventer. It's a prevention method. It's not used actually to kill the actual weed. That's why it can be kind of safe around your flowers that already emerged. And then this is what I use for weeds that already emerged. This is like a light duty weed and grass killer. Of course you gotta mix it to the right amount, otherwise the right dosage, otherwise you would kill everything. This stuff is definitely strong, but the dosage is on the label. But this is what I use for emergent weeds. And I use the Black & Decker little hacksaw to cut off any like roots or anything that's coming out. And then this is my gloves, and I use the Scott's year-round spreader. This is amazing. It cuts your spreading time by like 90%, especially if you have big flower beds. You can't go around with an actual, toe behind spreader because it's flower beds. Obviously, it's not grass, and this can get you like in between stuff. And I'll put it into action here in a second and show you guys how to use it. It's pretty much it takes a couple of batteries, AA batteries, and then you fill it up with the Preen and you spread it, and it'll be good to go. It's just a 2-gallon pump sprayer, hand pump sprayer. You can use a bigger, like carry-on backpack sprayer, or even something stronger. This kind of does the job for me, and I just use it to go around the flower beds. But I'll fill up the Wizz here and show it to you guys in action. Opening up a little Preen container. Comes with this little scooper. It's not the greatest, but it does the job. All you're trying to do is just scoop this stuff out and put it in your spreader, basically. I'll pause and fill it up and come back with you guys. Alright, all full. Make sure it's in unlocked position, push it forward, and just go ahead and start spreading. As you can see, I pretty much